my last day in Jamaica. And I'm gonna miss you, Jamaica.
Welcome back, peeps. You don't know the style though, so I will on the back again with another hot video. So me I jump in it quick today, see me. So Jada Kingdom and her man celebrate them birthday upon exactly the same day. Yes, April guys, that is something special. Yes, April. So anyway, she posts also this a tattoo with him name on her and saying I'm from the ghetto, where we get your name tattoo when we love the fuck out of you. So she another first and she definitely another last person to tattoo a nigga name on her skin. It's April guys. But you know the style go, so we are jumping on the next piece of video there though. Amari finally left Jamaica.
Amari, I'm going back.
Yeah, people, so I just did want to know, say, yo, what that really are gone, you see me? Because a lot of people comment down below, you see me? Which them feel like I see, but I see it, you see me? But one did funny, that one had the pizza in her forehead, I get to her head. You see me, guys? So, Colin Rabal, Anna Mona Lisa, or whatever she want name, guys. BDay that or this, but she read my ear say Colin Rab Amari before she leave, you see me? So, make she explain that.
That mother yeah, stole my gambling money and come online talking about you gonna do my nails and you gonna do this and you gonna do that. It was all a fucking lie. Colin can't be trusted a fuck. Motherfucker lie. Now he out here shopping. Yeah, that's what he doing. What are you doing? I don't know how to turn on that shit. Yeah. So, my last day in Jamaica. And I'm gonna miss you, Jamaica. I'm gonna miss you so much. But I think everything is pretty much done here. The only interview I missed was the CVM interview. Let me turn off this shit. I don't think I need that AC. And guess what? You see the number that I gave him? He's like buying it everywhere now. He believed because he went at the casino that it's gonna play again and again and again. And I got a second dream.
He's waiting for it.
Huh?
He's waiting for it.
How much was it?
True.
Yeah. I bought this from a lady on the sidewalk. I wanted to support her. And I'm not the type of person that after going to a rich store and wear name brand. If I see something and I like it, I'm buying it. Any part of the world, on the sidewalk, in the thrift shop, wherever, and I don't care a fuck. I saw some gay guys just now. Oh, they were like, Amari. They were so cute. You know, I have this large gay fan base, and love is not the word. I feel like one of them. I don't know how to describe it. Because just like how people be all up in my biz, people be all up in their biz when it's none of their biz. Straight up. So that's what's up. So David feel like tonight I'm going to say I'm not going home. That's not going to happen. That's not going to happen. Honestly, if Colin was a fair person that I saw a future with, I would stay even longer. You know, but I do the arithmetic and I say, if you're gonna move like this, it makes no sense staying here with you. I can't plan a future with you. I've seen more than one dishonest ways. Like the other day, they got $200 for me to do a dub play. So I said, okay. and I did the dub plate, and only to find out Amari taught the things, only to overhear his brother on the phone saying that he's gonna send 100 out of the 200 to Colin auntie for Colin. And I'm like, how you gonna move with me like that? You know, you my boyfriend. And then hear what they did me. He's coming. But hear what they did me. I said I was tired of Kingston and I wanted to stay somewhere else. So they bring me to this whole motherfucking place and charge me $1,800 a night. And I was like, what the fuck, in some bushes? I was in the bushes in the middle of the night. I was like, oh my gosh, if I even die here, goodies don't even know what happened. The middle of the bushes for $18,000 a night. The bed was on the floor. So I don't trust nobody. We just got Trevor's slippers. I feel like he needed slippers, you know. And the thing about it, you know, the dub plates money, I don't even take it for myself. I give it to my entourage. I be like, you all can have that, but don't lie to me, you know. Because I did another dub plate and he picked it up Western Union and I was like, take it, buy your shoes, do whatever. I give it to them, so why you lie to me? So just now they called me and they wanted me to do a dub plate for 50 US. We just got Trevor's slippers. I feel like he needed slippers, you know. And the thing about it, you know, the dub plates money, I don't even take it for myself. I give it to my entourage. I be like, you all can have that, but don't lie to me, you know. Because I did another dub plate and he picked it up Western Union and I was like, take it, buy your shoes, do whatever. I give it to them, so why you lie to me? So just now they called me and they wanted me to do a dub plate for 50 US. I need, can you do less talking please? I need over 1 million on YouTube. Alright, so please take me to the 1 million. I'm not asking for much. If you watch the video before Nico by Amari, just watch it again and again and again, you know. But I'm asking you to do this for me, please, before you go to bed tonight. You know, it means a lot to me. And it's not about commercials or nothing like that. I just like to see the views, all right? And thank you. I came to Jamaica and I gained 20,000 followers on YouTube. Thank you so much. And I'm almost at 300.